This is the core of official WACRM project. Now, I had three goals of cooking this repository. I wanted to make it compatible with Vercel, so I can deploy this on Vercel. Second, I wanted to add AI agents, text AI agents, and third was voice agents with LiveKit. Now, all three of them have added. This is actually updated, so you can cook it and run this yourself. There is a step-by-step guide that is available to how to set it up, and I will share that in the video description. So you can use that to set everything up. Now the next step was adding voice agents with LiveKit, and I have added those. So let me actually show you. So if I go to, sorry, not this one. Okay, I am already logged in. If I go to settings, you will actually see this LiveKit voice, a new tab where we can actually set up a LiveKit credentials like the WebSocket URL, API key, and API secret. And don't change this one. Or you can actually change this and just click on save. Okay, then go back, go to agents. Previously, it had only text agent, but now it also support voice. So I can go to voice. So everything will remain same. The prompt, tools, everything remains same. The only thing changes is it now have a new tab voice. So I can enable it for voice calls. And in the TTS, I can add the voice TTS voice ID, and I can provide it a call summary prompt and click save agent. And that's it. We don't have to do anything else. Let me actually show you how this works. So I have the call enabled. So I'll just call it, click on voice call and click call.
Hi, this is Alexa from Open Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi Alexa, I chipped my tooth. Can I visit your clinic?
I'm sorry to hear that. May I know your name, please?
It's Harsh and the age is 28.
Thank you, Harsh. Could you please tell me if you are experiencing any pain or sensitivity with the chipped tooth?
No, not actually. Okay, I'll just cut this call. Okay. And one thing we need to keep in mind is to actually have the call work, you have to go to our app that we are using, the Mat app, go to configuration and make sure we are subscribed to calls. At this one, we are make sure we are subscribed to this. And if I go to my phone numbers, like this is the number that I'm using. If I just click on this, go to call settings, just allow voice calls. Just turn it on. It will be off by default. Just turn it on, and you will be seeing, and you will see actually this. You will start seeing this option on your agent. Okay, so right now everything's running locally. So maybe I'll just show you one thing that we need to do to have everything set up. So first you need a LiveKit account. So just go ahead and create a LiveKit account. So basically I go ahead and created one. Then you just go back. So once you get an account, you will see this. So just first click on this project API keys. So in the API keys, you will see one key already created. Just click on this and you can copy your WebSocket URL API key and click on this reveal secret to get your secret. Close this and just go back to actually in the packages. So in the WACRM voice agent, just click plus and just open a new terminal. CD to package WACRM, and we need to do some steps here. So just open this readme.md. First, we need to do auth. Let me just go here. Okay. First, we need to run this command, LK Cloud auth. So basically, when you run it, okay, it will ask for the device name, which I actually gave it. Like I can name it anything actually. If I just click enter, it will request a token, and we can just click on allow access. Okay, so access is granted. If I just go back, okay, it have the access. I'll just you have already authenticated. Yeah, so basically I'm already authenticated, so I'll just control C. Okay. So now the next is we need to create this agent. So LK create agent. Just paste this command here. It will ask to choose .env for the secrets and just make sure you have already added the env files, like all the env variables. So we need this voice callback secret. If I just go back to sorry um, .env.example. So we need to add the secret in both our root project and also in this package WACRM voice. Okay. So in the .env, just add this voice callback secret and just make sure both are same, like in the main project and also in the WACRM package. Both secret should match. And how you will create one? So basically run this command. And this will be a random secret. Just copy this and paste it here. Now, if we have made some changes, let's say I have made some changes to my agent. If I go back to readme, we will have to do LK agent deploy for those to deploy those changes to LiveKit server. Now I will go ahead and deploy this on Vercel. So because it is already deployed, I just need to push the changes, which will trigger a auto deployment on Vercel. There is just one thing I need to do. This is the only environment variable I will need to add in Vercel. So I'll just copy this and go to Vercel. Okay, this is our project, and so it is live basically. Okay, it is live. I'll just go to environment variables, add a new environment variable, paste this. It is a sensitive environment variable, and I'll just remove this from preview and click on save. Now I won't click on this redeploy because once I push, it will automatically trigger a new deployment, and these changes will take effect. Okay, I'll just close this. The server is running. I'll just control C. Git add all voice agent added to CRM. Okay, and click push corriging main. Okay, now let's check the Vercel deployments. Okay, so deployment has started. Now there is one thing I will change because I was testing locally. I will have to replace this URL again, like my forwarding URL. I'll replace from the ngrok one to a live URL and click save. Let me actually show you where to get this ngrok URL. I'll close this. Go here basically. Okay, so to get a ngrok URL, you can just go to this ngrok.com, sign up. Once you are inside, just go to auth tokens. You can see your token here. Okay, you will need to run this command to actually save this on your machine. So just do ngrok config add auth token and paste this token here. Like replace this one to your actual token. This will be added to your system. Now then go to domains. You will have a domain already. Okay, so you just have to click on these three dots, click on start endpoint, and copy this. And okay, I'll just this it already running. I'll just close this. And instead of 80, just do 3000 because our Next.js app will be running on code 3000 and click send up. So, and sorry, there is one thing you need to do. Like if you don't have your ngrok CLI already installed, you can do this when MPX change 80 with 3000. It will start. Okay, I'll just go back to servers and deployment to see if it actually deployed or not. Okay, deployment passed. It is deployed. Now I'll just go back here. The app is already like I stopped the app. I'll also stop the ngrok server actually. So we can be sure now it's actually using live request. So I'll just go ahead and call agent again. Okay, I'll just go here inbox. Shubham Kashyap. Like this is the contact I'm talking.
Hi, I'm Alexa from Open Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi Alexa. Actually, I want to inquire about root canal.
I can help with that. May I know the name and age of the patient?
Okay, so this is still working, and we can see the voice summary here. Like based on the prompt we provided, we will see all the voice summaries here in the same chat. So everything's working. We are not setting up any external API, like we are not using any express servers or anything. We just created a bridge between WhatsApp webhooks, our Vercel deployed Next.js app. Okay, so the voice summary is here. Okay, just to go over what we have to do, to set up voice agent with LiveKit. So basically, first we copy repository, clone it locally. Once it's cloned, you will have all the code. So basically, first you will have to add all the environment variables, for which I will add the step-by-step guide in this video description. So first add all the environment variables, then cd to this folder and run like all these commands. So basically, first you will have to install the LiveKit CLI. So just use this command to install the LiveKit CLI. Once that is like installed, you can run the LK commands. So LK or cloud, first we do have to do, so first we have to do the authentication, then LK agent create. Now if we make any changes to our agent, then we have to do the LK agent deploy. If you have a question or get stuck while setting this up, you can drop them into the comments and I will be happy to reply. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and like this video.